Want to create the scenes like this? Watch this video until the end.
Imagine turning a still photo of your pet cat into a joyful 8-second clip, complete with the purr, a playful tail flick, and upbeat background music, all with one tap. That's Google's Veo 3 in action, with synced video and audio. Let's dive in.
Veo 3 is Google DeepMind's latest text-to-video AI model, launched in May 2025.
Its big leap? It doesn't just generate video, it brings in sound, like effects, ambient background, and even dialogue. For casual creators, Veo 3 isn't just locked behind enterprise tools. It's now built right into Gemini Pro and Flow. That means you don't need to be a developer or have a massive budget to start creating. With Gemini Pro, you can generate short, cinematic video clips straight from a simple text prompt. Think a skateboarder doing tricks at sunset with lo-fi beats in the background. A few seconds later, you've got a polished clip, complete with sound. And then there's Flow, Google's new storytelling workspace. Flow lets you chain multiple Veo 3 clips together, add transitions, and shape them into a bigger story. So instead of just an 8-second video, you can actually build a mini short film without leaving the AI ecosystem. All right, let's walk through the steps so you can try Veo 3 yourself, from zero to your very first AI-generated video. Start by signing in with your Google account. Yes, just your Gmail. No complicated setup. Once you're in, open Google Flow on your web browser. Tap on the Create project. This is where the magic happens. Now, type in a short, fun prompt. Keep it vivid and simple. Then hit Generate. Then, wait a few seconds, and boom. Flow generates your video, complete with sound, motion, and style. That's it. No cameras, no editing software, just your imagination turned into a short film in seconds.
I just built an ATM that only gives out coins. I don't know why no one's thought of it before, but it just makes sense.
To make your clips amazing, here's what matters. Be vivid. Paint the scene with simple, descriptive cues. Instead of just a city, try a neon-lit Tokyo street with glowing signs and rain-soaked pavement. Keep it short. 1 or 2 clear sentences work best. Add sound hints like disco beat or crickets chirping, so Veo knows the vibe. Experiment and tweak. Switch a word, change the lighting, and watch your clip evolve. And here's a bonus hack. You can even use ChatGPT to brainstorm or refine your prompts. Just type in what you want, like, give me 3 creative prompts for a sci-fi city with background audio. And ChatGPT will do the heavy lifting. And just like that, you've created your first Veo 3 video. From signing in to typing a prompt, it really is that simple. But remember, this is only the beginning. Every prompt is a chance to tell a mini story, and Veo 3 makes it possible to turn imagination into cinematic moments in seconds. If this guide helped you, go ahead and hit like, subscribe to ClickSmart AI for more AI-powered creativity, and share in the comments, what's the first fun or crazy prompt you'd try with Veo 3? Let's keep experimenting, keep creating, and animate the future together.